Korean is super easy. Can you guess these Korean words? 콘서트, concert. 피자, pizza. 카메라, camera. 버스, bus. 택시, taxi. 소파, sofa. 컴퓨터, computer. How many did you get right? 잘했어요. You're not gonna believe how easy Korean colors are to learn. 검은색, black, 흰색, white, 빨간색, red, 주황색, orange, 노란색, yellow, 초록색, green, 파란색, blue, 보라색, purple. Now it's your turn. 잘했어요. How to say I can speak a little Korean. 한국어 조금밖에 못해요. 한국어 조금밖에 못해요. 잘했어요. You won't believe how many holidays Korea has in May. May 1st, 근로자의 날, which is Labor Day. May 5th, 어린이날, Children's Day. May 8th, 어버이날, Parents' Day. May 15th, 스승의 날, Teacher's Day. And April 8th in lunar calendar, 부처님 오신 날, which is Buddha's birthday. Which one is your favorite?